I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is updated and your carrier allows personal hotspot. This ensures QR generation will work. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so devices can discover your phone quickly. Now open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot. This is the control area where you set the network name and password, which the QR code will encode. Make sure Allow Others to Join is toggled on so the QR reflects an active hotspot you can share. Next, you set the SSID and a secure password because the QR encodes those exact values. Strong passwords protect your data. After that, toggle Allow Others to Join and confirm any connection limits so devices won't be blocked. Then tap the QR icon or the Share Password option that appears near the password field. This action generates a scannable hotspot QR automatically. You do this so someone can scan and join instantly without typing credentials, saving time and preventing typos. Finally, hand your phone to the other person or show the QR on your screen and have them scan it with the camera app. iOS will offer join so they connect instantly. If the device cannot join, make sure the password wasn't changed, cellular data is active, and Bluetooth/Wi-Fi are on. These are common failure points. If you change the SSID or password, regenerate the QR so it matches the new settings. That keeps access accurate and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.